fine. I got this feeling I could touch the sky. When you name me, losing my mind. Got nothing more to say. It's a lovely day. You're something special. I need to cool down. I come on closer, put this fire out. I think I need you like all of the time. Got nothing more to say. It's a lovely day. It's a lovely day. I'm feeling so good. 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 Nothing more to say. It's a lovely day.
Let's learn Lovely Day. It's choreographed by Ben Murphy. It is a 32 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 6. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Lovely Day. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do right and left Dorothy steps. So we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then quickly step your right foot forward. We're now going to step our left foot forward into the left diagonal. Bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then quickly step your left foot forward. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to tap your left toe next to your right, and then we're going to do 3 back sweeps. You're going to step back with your left, sweep your right, step back with your right, sweep your left, step back with your left, sweep your right. And when you finish this sweep, you want this right foot to come all the way behind your left. So let's try that with some counts. When it is on your left, you're doing your Dorothy's. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, you're going to cross your right behind your left. We're going to unwind a half turn, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock, and then we're going to do a crossing triple. Cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side, and you're going to hold. We're now going to do what he calls a chassé, but we're going to go ball side, together. So we're going to quickly step our left next to our right, step your right foot to the right side. Quickly step your left foot next to your right, step your right foot to the right side, and then step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sweep, you're going to cross behind. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold, 6, and 7, and 8, and. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to touch your left next to your right. We're now going to quickly step our left foot to the left side and touch your right next to your left. We're going to step our right foot to the right side and you're going to hit your left knee up. You're going to step your left foot to the left side and you're going to hit your right knee up and you're going to have it slightly cross in front of your left. You're now going to quickly cross your right over your left. Step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to bring the ball of our right foot into our left. And as we push onto our right foot, you're going to lower your heel and push your left foot back. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we do this. So as you push down onto this right, you're going to make your quarter turn and then push your left foot back, taking weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just step together for and, you're going to step to the right. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to step together with our right on slightly bent knees. We're now going to twist both heels to the right, both toes to the right, both heels to the right. We're going to do a big step to the right. And what I like to do is kind of hitch my right knee up slightly and go into the slide. That's what they do in the video as well. So you can kind of like bring that right foot up and go into the slide to the right. Step together with your left. And then we're going to do heel swivel. So you're going to rotate just your right heel out to the right side, bring it back center, and then just your left heel out to the left side, bring it back center, and then you're ready to start over again. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our slide back, so weight is on your left, you're stepping together with your right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your 2 Dorothy. So it's Dorothy, Dorothy, step, tap, back, sweep, back, sweep, back, sweep, cross behind, half unwind, crossing triple, side, hold, ball, side, touch, step, hitch, cross, side. Now it's your press into your slide, quarter turn, together, heels, toes, heels, slide, together, right heel, left heel. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your Dorothy. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 6. So you'll be facing 6 o'clock to do this tag. All you're going to do is syncopated rocks. So I'm going to turn to the front so that you can see what it looks like, and then we'll practice it to the back. So your weight will be on your left. You're going to rock forward onto your right, kind of doing a little bit of a press. So we're going to rock right, recover, together, rock left, recover. And as you step together with your left, you're going to do a slight flick back with your right foot so that you can go into those Dorothy steps. It doesn't need to be a huge flick. It's just kind of lifting your right foot off the floor so that you can go into your Dorothys. So now let's face 6 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your rock. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and ready to start over. Right Dorothy, left Dorothy. Now, there is no ending listed on the step sheet. They just end to the side wall. I like to end facing 12 o'clock. So your final wall will be a 12 o'clock facing wall. You'll end facing 9 o'clock on your heels. And all I did was make a quarter turn stepping forward, because there was a couple extra counts at the very end of the music when you finish this, so that I just kind of made that quarter turn stepping forward so that I could end facing 12 o'clock. You could also step to the side if you would like, or you can end facing the side wall. You can kind of choose what you would like. Now, you can add your own styling in. I like to do kind of some body rolls on those side steps to kind of make it a little more funky if you would like. When I do my tap, I also like to kind of lean forward and then straighten into my sweeps and kind of make them nice and big. But you can add your own styling and flair, and just like that little bit of a hitch into your slide is some extra styling that if you would like to add in to make it a little more funky, that choice is yours. So now let's talk about the intro. The intro is going to happen prior to the main dance starting. You have 16 counts before the main dance starts. So you'll count the first 8 in. On that second 8 that you're counting in, you're going to count up to count 6. And then you're going to add on what happens at the very end of the dance. So you'll do your heel out, and then you'll be ready to start the main dance. So your counts for that will just be and 7 and 8. And then you will start the main dance over again. It's a nice, easy intro, and the music matches what it sounds like on the last final counts of each rotation. So what those 31 and 32 counts kind of sound like, that is what it's going to sound like before the music starts. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our Dorothy. So it's right, Dorothy, left, Dorothy, step, tap, back sweep, back sweep, back sweep, cross behind, half unwind, crossing triple, side, hold ball, side, side, touch, side, hitch, cross, side. Now it's your press into your quarter, push back, together, heels, toes, heels, slide, together, right heel, left heel. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Right, Dorothy, left, Dorothy, step, tap, back sweep, cross behind, half unwind, crossing triple, side, hold ball, side, touch, side, hitch, cross, side. Now to press into your quarter, push back, together, heels, toes, heels, slide, right heel, left heel. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Right, Dorothy, left, Dorothy, step, tap, back sweep, cross behind, half unwind, crossing triple, side, hold ball, side, touch, side, hitch, step, hitch, cross, side. Now to press in with your quarter, push back, together, heels, toes, heels, slide, together. Right heel, left heel. At the end of this wall, you're going to do your tag. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Do your tag. It's rock. Recover together, rock. Recover together, flick, start over right. Dorothy, left, Dorothy, step, tap, back sweep, cross behind, half unwind, crossing triple, side, hold ball, side, touch, side, hitch, step, hitch, cross, side, press in, make your quarter turn as you push back, together, heels, toes, heels, side, slide, together, right heel, left heel. After you do your tag, you'll dance wall 7 and wall 8 all the way through. Wall 9 is your final wall, where if you would like to end facing the front, you can kind of add in your own ending, or you can end facing 9 o'clock. Either way, it doesn't matter. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn. Lovely day. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
touch the sky. When you name me, losing my mind. Got nothing more to say. It's a lovely day. Your scent is special. I need to cool down. I come on closer, put this fire out. I think I need you like all of the time. Got nothing more to say. It's a lovely